You know, I got to tell you, Hypertech is known as a world leader in high-performance engine tuning. But now they're in power sports, and this is really incredible because you get a RZR, and then you add an incredible, tune on it, which could give you up to like 40 horsepower extra in a RZR. First thing you're going to do, you're just like me, you're going to go huge. You're going to go for big air.
Oh, definitely.
And of course, one of the problems is that's why you need a limit strap, because when you come down, everything attached to the bottom of your RZR, your whole suspension,
it's going to drop. Yeah.
Right.
So it's going to, when you go off that ramp, your suspension, everything's going to drop down. You need something to limit that from going down too far, because when you hit the ground, you're going to break stuff if you don't have it. The limit straps here, they also have the ties. These are going to wrap around your coils. This keeps this from under compression from going out and hitting one of your tires,
right,
and causing more damage there. We've got the stainless steel accessories to go with it. These are made in America.
Yeah, these are really robust. You know, and talking about stainless steel, this is a cool touch because sometimes when you see online, you look around, you find limit straps, you think limit straps, limit straps. Cool thing here, this is a very robust application. Nobody's got this. This was a small thing, but Hypertech goes out and they test, and then they test again. Now, the cool thing is you get thousands of hours of driving around in RZRs, which I know makes you happy. Oh, yeah. But you come up with things like this, which are actually something they bump into while thrashing these RZRs. But also, you got this. Now, this looks, it is what it is, right? But many accessory companies will powder coat this. Problem is, it looks cool for about 30 seconds, then it looks like it's 15 years old right out of the box. So, stainless steel is going to be great for the long term and great for your ride too. This is a very robust application that's really important and a great accessory as Hypertech gets into power sports. Now, if you want more details about these products, you can find all your accessories. Check in right now online at hypertech.com.